Hi guys, welcome to Quiz Frenzy. This is the Ultimate Mystery Gift Edition. You'll face 50 questions, each more surprising than the last. You have just 5 seconds to answer everyone, and each correct choice earns you 1 point. Get ready, your mystery challenge begins now. Changing gift, or eternal mystery. Surprise, empty box, tiny box, or giant box. Wow, box with inbox. Magical power, or priceless treasure. Oh no, trick candle. One wish, or secret admirer. Wow, fortune cookie. Best friend, or total stranger. Anonymous note. Self-surprise, or crowd surprise. Ding ding, mystery bell. Laughing gift, or crying gift. Haha, squeaky toy. 10 small gifts, or 1 grand gift. Oh dear, paper crown. Birthday surprise, or lifetime gift. Forgotten card. Trade item, or keep treasure. Oops, fake voucher. Invisible present, or confetti blast. Boom, glitter bomb. Hidden talent, or secret truth. Haha, joke book. Teleport portal, or time travel device. Oh no, broken compass. Child choice, or genius choice. Cool, mystery dice. One-day power, or eternal twist. Hey, temporary tattoo. Voice change, or face change. Wow, disguise mask. Envy box, or mystery box. Oh no, empty bag. Solo unwrap, or public reveal. Spooky, phantom gift. Santa surprise, or cosmic gift. Wow, snow globe. Future vision, or past rewrite. Mirror magic, mirror card. Rusty key, or silver key. Nice, gold key. Dream journal, or reality mirror. Oh no, tattered page. Flying shoes or invisibility cloak. Oops, sticky wings. Endless candy or infinite coffee. Yikes, expired chocolate. Talking pet or thinking plant. Ah, silent plushie. Secret map or hidden treasure. Oh, fake coin. Rainbow crystal or shadow stone. Good, diamonds and gems. Memory box or imagination box. Oh no, empty envelope. Music wand or broken pencil. Art brush. Digital gift or handcrafted gift. Nice, download code. Lucky coin or rusted button. Awesome, magic feather. Winter snow globe or summer shell. Melty moment, melted ice. Torn stamp or unknown parcel. Nice, mystery letter. Golden ticket or silver envelope. Oops, crumpled receipt. Stardust or moonlight. Fluffy cloud puff. Wish bracelet or charm necklace. Oh no, broken chain. Burnt bulb or floating sphere. Wow, glowing cube. Whispering book or singing candle. Quiet, mute toy. Time capsule or secret diary. Loctite lockbox. Surprise call or hidden message. Missed it, missed call. Puzzle gift or riddle gift. Jigsaw piece. False wall or hidden room.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to.
Creepy secret door. Glitter box or smoke box.
Coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Dusty surprise dust box.
But you keep me on red.
Invisible ink or magic paint.
I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Dry and done dried marker. Mystery photo or mystery video. Blur alert, blurry picture. Hidden keychain or plastic ring.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you're
Amazing, secret pendant.
heart's black and blue from
Talking clock or dancing lamp.
with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing.
Silent mode, silent alarm.
I'm the
Floating gift or buried gift.
even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel
Oops, lost parcel.
struck by Cupid.
Golden ring or platinum watch.
This. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
Copper bracelet. Secret potion or magic perfume.
With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like kids.
Empty bottle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.